we have y equals natural log of x raised to 7 power. So first we will use formula for derivative of function raised to a power. So we know that is when we have x to power n prime, this is equal n times x to n minus 1 power. And then we have to find the derivative of function which is inside. So let's start from the beginning. We have y prime is equal, first we take down this 7, so it will be 7 times natural log of x to power 7 minus 1 and times the derivative of function which is inside. Derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. I just use formula when we have natural log of x prime. This is equal 1 over x. So this is equal, we have 7 times natural log of x to power 6 times 1 over x. So we can rewrite 7 times natural log of x to power 6 times 1, we don't have to write, over x. This is my solution.